try this again now. So my screen recorder automatically puts a camera on there. I am turning down the volume of the Chinese. Okay? So we're barely going to hear her, but I need the video. Okay? So the first thing that they talk about here, that she's going to be rolling the mouse and everything, the video is playing in the background. She's talking about how everything is moved to the top first. So you can't really see it because media player's in the way. Let me see if I can make this bigger. I need to move my head first, I think. No, that made it smaller. This one? Okay. That makes me disappear. Good. Okay. So we have, it says the level of the class. It says how many people should be in the classroom. And then this is the end class button over here. So you don't want to use the end class button except for at the actual end of class. If you're having issues, you need to exit and come back in. Do not use this button. Please do not use it. If you are having trouble, then use the tab exit button, like exit tab, click out of it, or exit out of the browser, whatever. Just don't hit this button, because if you do that, the class will actually end, and there's no way to get it back. Okay, this is the timing for the actual class. It does not start in the early time. It only starts at actual class time. This is the stars to send everybody 1 star. Over here is announcements. This will tell you what's going on. It's in Chinese. It's just like reminding you to use the to the stage function and stuff like that. And it says here, if you do not use the stage function, then the other students cannot hear them. And then reminding about the exit class button. So then she's going to come over here. Let me see if I can speed this up a little bit. You have to actually, let me pause the video when she goes back over it. You see how she's rolling over it? So you actually need to roll over it in order to be able to get the functions to appear. The first function is this little power button. This will kick the student out and help them return. Then we have their Wi-Fi signal and their stars. You can send them an individual star here. This is everybody star. This is individual star. Next up, you have their name, which gets very small when the functions are open. You have their pencil button, their clicking button, their microphone button. Don't use this. Just ignore it. Pretend it doesn't exist. This means the student can only you can hear the student. We don't want to only let you hear the student. We want everybody to hear them when they're answering. You want Speaky Man button. I like to call it Speaky Man button. This is to the stage function. You use this one so that what they're saying broadcasts to all of the students, so all of the students can hear the answers. Okay? So then I'm going to hit play so it continues on now. Okay. She's going to talk about all of these functions I just mentioned. Remember Speaky Man button. Speaky Man button. Can we get to the Speaky Man button thing? Okay. Speaky Man button. Come on, where are you? Okay, it should be coming up now, Shanghai. Click it! Click it! Stop WeChat, I don't want to listen to you right now. Click it! Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, when you hit the to the stage button, now their camera is going to say 上台中, which means on stage. And their camera is going to appear here. So it shows everybody who is talking. So they get to be seen. You have to hit the turn off for the stage button in order to send them back up here. Now here's the fun part. I want to pop forward a little bit. When they go back to the top, you can see their microphone is still on. This is annoying, I think, because now you have to manually turn off their microphone. If this is still on, you can hear them. Nobody else can hear them. You can hear them. So you're going to have to go over. This is going to be annoying to roll over. I think just use the master switch. It'll turn it off. So after you send somebody off the stage, hit the master switch just to make sure everybody's off. Okay? Yeah. Okay, what's next? Okay, now she's coming over here to all the TG and such functions, I think. Oh, yeah. She's talking about the page changes are now here. The page numbers are down at the bottom. This is, as you can tell, a very low-level lesson. Okay? So you can change the pages. These are the clicky things. This is in the preview. So in the preview, you see everything. During the lesson, you won't see the word we. You have to click the hand for the we to pop up. You won't see we have. You have to click the hand. This is only the teacher can see these little hand clicky buttons. These are how you get things to come up for the students to see slowly, step by step. Okay, let's move forward. Skippy, skippy. Okay, she's over here now. So we've got the TG, Teacher's Guide. We've got the arrow clicky button. You won't use that much. Even she says you won't use that much. This is the back one step button. So if the students are writing a word like we, you ask them to write we on the screen, and they write W-A. You don't want to erase it all. You just want to erase that A. That's the last thing they drew. Hit this one. That'll rewind one step. If you want to erase all, hit this paintbrush button. Raise hand function. Use this so the kids can click a button that says, I'm raising my hand. Okay? I don't know how that function works now. Previously, if they did that and you hit the unmute, it only turned on their microphone, not stage. So I don't know if that's changed or if it's still going to be microphone only. So I usually don't hit the unmute button. If they're raising their hand, I go to the over here and I click to the stage. Okay? Master microphone switch, master stage switch. If any one student has their microphone on, the master switch will turn everything off. If nobody is on, the master switch will turn everybody on. The same thing for the speaky man. If any one student is on the stage, this should turn that person off. And if nobody is on the stage, then that brings I don't even know if everybody, now that it's a pull in the front, can it get everybody on the stage? I don't know. But I would only use that when I was repeating vocabulary. Like we went through this and then I would turn it on. I would say we, and I want everyone to say we with me. This is the drawing pencil, and you use it to switch colors. This actually gets funky now. So I'm going to skip over to that one because we can actually see that. Yeah. Go over the functions. Come on, skip down to the pencil. Yes, pencil. Oh, yes. Unnecessary blabber. Okay. There. You can now pick the thickness of your pen, the opacity, I think. I don't know. Maybe this is just thickness more stable. And then also the color. So you can make a thicker pen now or a thinner one, which is good in the higher level lessons. You really need a thinner one. Okay? So then we come down, and that's the eraser, just little section erase. The timer, the text thing, so you can type whatever you want in. You can also change the size of it, bold it, italicize, and underline. The circle with a square function is next. Yeah. Okay, go to the square. Can you do the square function? Square. There. So square, circle, arrow, and this new one down here is underline. Let me go back a little bit. So there's the square, there's the circle, there's the arrow, and there's an underline now. Underline is new. Okay? And this last one is, as far as I can tell from listening to the Chinese, this displays for all of the students. So if you show this, all of the students will be able to see it. At least that's what it sounds like to me in the Chinese. Maybe I'm mistaking it. Fa song samudan. So this says that it's going to, maybe you have to click this in order to send for everyone to see. I'm not sure, but this one says don't send. This one says fa song, and then I don't understand something done. And this one says bu fa song something done. So I guess this is don't send it, and this is send it so everyone can see it. Okay? So I don't want to send it so everyone can see it. The teacher's functions are still the same with the turning on and off the microphone and turning on and off the camera. And then this currently is not an open function. So this function is not currently available. We just ignore this for now. That's all. Where's my button to exit now? Okay. Has this not been recorded?